This is every part of the cabinet. First, check if every part of this cabinet is complete according to the instruction manual. First, connect part A and B with part C. Second step, connect part D to the cabinet. Use the screws. Don't fasten the screw at first, just connect them. Connect the other part D, to the cabinet. Now step 2 is finished, then goes to step 3. Put the part E to the bottom of the cabinet. Slightly adjust the position. Put the part F onto the cabinet. Step 4. Assemble the handle H on the door G using the screws X. Step 5. Attach the door on the cabinet. Using the small screws W. Attach 3 screws on each panel. Attach the other door in the same way. Step 6. Put the part I onto the top of the cabinet with the screws to fix it. This is the end of step 6. Before going to step 7, tighten all the screws. Put the black glass part J on top of the cabinet, gently. Step 7. Assemble the tap on the sink. Gently put the sink on the top of the cabinet. Place the part O into the sink and then use the part P to fasten it from the bottom of the sink.
底下的排压。
Connect the water pipe S and N together and then fix it on the sink from the bottom. Make sure it is tightened. Place part P and Q into the sink. So now the cabinet is finished. Try to close the doors. If it works well, then it's good. If it doesn't work well, then you need to adjust the lock to make it fit. You may adjust the positions of the screws or the lock itself. If it still doesn't work, you may use the replacement locks. First, disassemble the old lock. Disassemble both pieces, including the one on the door. There are two old holes from the old lock on the tube. Choose one hole for the new lock. First, fix one screw with the new lock. And then find the location for the new hole and use the screw and the hammer to make the new hole. Then fix it tightly. Also, there are two old holes on the door. You can choose one hole to fix the metal plate. Then make the new hole for the metal plate. And then fasten it tightly. Then you can close the door. Assemble the other lock in the same way, then you can close both doors.